If you went to college and got a degree to get a job to sit in front of a computer all day long, your job is at risk. And this is why.
High school degree, 12, bachelor's, 27. Wow. The reason why they're saying this is because the people that went and got the degrees and education, your jobs that you were going to go do.
Computer will do it.
So I came across this little section of the Patrick Bet Davis podcast. They talk about how AI is coming in and it's going to do significant damage to employment. We all know what AI is. We all know what it does and how it works for the most part. And it's going to have a crucial effect on a lot of people's careers and jobs. And as we all know, well, technology, a lot of people, they work right in front of a laptop all day long. They type on a keyboard, they do whatever on the internet. AI is coming after their jobs. This is also a good reminder why getting a job, finding a career in the blue collar industry, in the skilled trades is a really great idea, because those are gonna be the last jobs to be taken away when AI, no one's stopping it, no one's slowing it down. So AI is coming in full effect and it's coming fast. And before we know it, it's going to be taking over a lot of career, a lot of employment opportunities for people who sit in front of a computer. Let's hop into this little clip so you guys can watch and see exactly what I'm talking about.
When did ChatGPT officially launch? I think it was November of 22.
2 years.
So this is going to be the first election that we've ever seen where ChatGPT, November of 22. There it is right there. And that was after midterms.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
this is the first election of our lifetime where OpenAI, ChatGPT, all these chatbots can run rampant, and it could be very scary.
By the way, so when you think about this, how many jobs does that replace? Think about editors. Think about B-roll for movies. Think about the God knows. Go ahead, Tom.
We to your question, we did a roll call on the last podcast on layoffs, and Duolingo said they were laying off 10% of the workforce, and most of those jobs would be replaced by AI. And Duolingo is the translation service.
By the way, a chart came out. I'm trying to see if Brandon can send it to me, showing what industries, what jobs were being replaced the most by AI, were affected by the most by AI, and which level of education were being affected by AI the most. Brandon, if you're okay, he just sent it. Pull up that Pew Research, because that's the one I want to take a look at.
That's scary,
the data is absolutely staggering. If you can pull that up, Rob, he just texted to us. And you would say, well, I mean, listen, the people that are the most educated are probably least affected by AI, right? So watch what it says. Which U.S. workers are most exposed to AI with their jobs? About a fifth of all workers have high exposure jobs. Women, Asian. Go to the bottom, you'll see it. Go to the bottom, watch this, right there. Zoom in. So all workers, men 17%, okay, women 21%. They're more affected by AI than men. Whites 20%, blacks 15%, Hispanics only 13%, Asians 24%, okay, the most affected by AI hurting their careers. American Indian 16%, other 18%, less than high school degree 3%. You're not affected by it.
Bachelor's. Wow.
High school degree, 12, bachelor's, 27. Wow. The reason why they're saying this is because the people that went and got the degrees and education, your jobs that you were going to go do.
Computer will do it. Wow.
However, the lower level jobs like
construction,
cooking, food, construction,
mechanics, you're golden. Wow.
So the whole concept of getting a did you understand what
holy shit.
This further proves the narrative about college being completely overrated and overvalued these days.
To get a college degree. Why am I getting a degree, Dad? Because my job's going to be replaced. I'm better off with a high school diploma.
You've done multiple videos that college is a scam. Candace Owens talked about it. We've talked about it a bunch. There really needs to be some serious consideration to young people out there getting into the HVAC, plumbing, technician type of world that you have to do with your hands, even if it's engineering, what have it may be. Like, that is the future. You can make six figures, if not then some.
Skilled labor. So they make a great point. It's funny that the people who have a bachelor's degree or plus are the most at risk for losing their jobs to AI. Now, people like me and others who barely have a high school diploma or a GED, we're probably going to be fine. And a lot of us, we either went out and did our own thing, built our own thing, whether that's our own business or we went to a skilled trade, went to a technical school, and now we have a career, we're doing things, we're building things with our hands. With the way technology is going, we'll be safe for a few years. I don't know how long, but I don't see robots and AI wiring up a building or putting power lines in the air or underground. A lot of these jobs, they're just too technical. I don't even see it in my future, but I could be completely wrong.
But what's the guy, Tim Kennedy? He was on Rogan, absolute certified stud. He was basically saying, this is what you can do as a man out there. Yeah, Tim Kennedy out there. But, trade schools, technical schools, a lot better these days than just getting a liberal arts degree in college.
So anyways, the future of AI is going to affect the people with the fanciest degrees. That's a very interesting kind of, it breaks down what jobs are the least affected and what jobs are the highest and what jobs and degrees are the best ones to get. Rob, if you have that, Brandon, if you have that, send that to me as well.
And you saw the Hispanics, Pat, like they're not threatened at all because Hispanics work their asses off on the ground. You know what I'm saying?
Well, this is the one. Watch this right here. Okay, jobs in the U.S. that are likely to have the highest, medium, and lowest exposure to AI. So budget analysts, highest exposure, data entry layers, tax preparers, technical writers, web developers. You're all screwed with AI because it's going to do the work better than you and faster than you. Medium exposure, CEOs, veterinarians. That's good news. Okay. Interior designers, fundraisers, sales managers. Lowest exposure, barbers. Drew, you're good. Childcare workers, dishwashers, firefighters, pipe layers.
Yeah, exactly. There's the trade school stuff.
All the trade school people.
Anything that involves you actively working, not sitting at a desk in front of a computer, your jobs are safe. Yeah. Anything that involves sitting in front of a computer, no good.
Pat Deli just texted me.
No good.
I want to pause this video to thank the sponsor of this video, which is bluecollaredu.com, because we don't have a sponsor. And if you're looking to get into a skilled trades career, like these guys are talking about, wanting to find a career that is best fit for you, go to our website at bluecollaredu.com. You can take a free trade quiz there that would help you find a career that's probably best fit for you. Take the quiz, it's 100% free. It'll take a few minutes of your time, but it's gonna give you an answer of a trade that is probably a good fit for you that you can pursue and start looking into how to get started. Blue Collar EDU. You can learn on our website or reach out to us, ask questions in the comment section, DM on Instagram, or email austin@bluecollaredu.com. We're here to help you because, as we can see here, technology and AI, if you're working a white collar job or involves you just typing on a keyboard all day long, your job is highly at risk.
Pat, not to replace me, I'm Pat. Hey, Deli, anybody out there that's behind the computer right now editing, you better start taking some construction.
Can you imagine? Imagine we get an email saying from all our editors, hey, Rob, are you guys looking for people to help do construction with the new building?
We'll start digging right now. I heard you're buying land.
Low exposure.
They have enough humor to do that.
I've said this before and I'll say it again. If you know how to lay pipe, you're going to be okay. Shout out to the pipe layers out there.
Pipe layers, shout out.
There we go.
So that's it. And as we can see, as those gentlemen explained, is AI, it's coming in full force. And if you have a $200,000 college degree that you got in liberal arts or something that requires you to sit in front of a laptop, computer all day long and just type on a keyboard, AI is coming for you because you're expendable. The company is going to pay way less money to have technology or AI do your job. Instead of paying you a $60,000 salary a year, they can pay, I don't know, a couple $1,000s for AI to do it all. So either you find a company that isn't willing to switch sides to AI or technology just so they can make a buck. A great example would be a company like First Form. They hire real people, real Americans to do the jobs. They don't have robots. They don't have these AI and technology doing these jobs that humans can do. So maybe you can find yourself a company like that who isn't going to use technology and AI to their advantage to make more money. Although, we'll see what happens in the future. If you are typing in front of a keyboard right now to make your money, to make your living, to pay your rent, to buy groceries, I would consider, maybe finding something else that requires you to build something with your hands, do something with your hands that isn't typing on a keyboard, because AI is coming and there's not a whole lot we can do about it. In this world of technology, I don't really see that happening as of now. So find a skilled trade, find a blue collar trade that you can get into, build some things with your hands, because you guys who do that, who build things with your hands, your jobs are gonna be safe for a long time, in my opinion. Thanks for watching the video with Blue Collar EDU, here to expose, teach, educate you about blue collar career opportunities, things that'll help you get started in skilled trades. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.